Hi, boys and girls. Our book for today is Tow Truck Joe Makes a Splash, written by June Sobel. And we borrowed this book from the Central Skagit Library. Summertime is full of fun, and Tow Truck Joe is on the run. Patch the pup does her share, helping Joe with each repair. The ice cream truck's bell won't ring. Joe and Patch will make it ding. A camper's tire has a flat. Joe can fix it just like that. The beach bus stalls, it cannot go. Patch inspects, now Joe must go. Traffic grumbles on the street. Cars and trucks overheat. Hot trucks sputter, hot cars beep. On the road they barely creep. The tired tow truck needs a rest. Patch the pup knows what's best. Let's cool off, let's get wet. Wash off all that dust and sweat. Driving to the splash and shine, the road is clogged. What a line! Sun blazes down on Tow Truck Joe, but Patch sees why the traffic's slow. At the car wash, someone's stuck. It's Motor City's biggest truck. Oh my goodness, Joe's pup squeals. This great big truck has 18 wheels. Joe races to inspect the trouble before the car wash turns to rubble. He hitches up and tries to tow. The semi-truck will not go. Patch the pup lets out a yelp. She sniffs around to try to help. Soap sprayers turn up full blast. The big truck's wheels move at last. One for all for one, we can fix it, let's have some fun. Joe's tow pulls, his friends all push, the 18-wheeler in the tush. Gurgle, bubble, splash, pop. The semi lunges, cannot stop, water gushes at full blast. The giant truck moves at last. Water spreads into a pool, cars and trucks are finally cool. Joe skids on the slippery road, soapy where the water flowed. Sweeper brushes scrub the street, sidewalk curbs are looking neat. I'll head back to Joe's garage, cars and trucks need a charge. Parking underneath the trees, they enjoy an evening breeze. A summer day comes to an end for Tow Truck Joe and his good friend. All right, boys and girls, we hope you enjoyed that new book. Have a great day.